Hi, and welcome to Senior Shape and to your 5-minute workout warm-up. So this is a quick 5-minute warm-up routine that you can do anytime just to get the blood flowing. All moves are low impact or perfect to do before any other workout or maybe even a walk outside. Everything will be performed in a standing position. We'll go ahead and get started with the feet directly underneath those hips. Engage the core, deep breath in, arms go up overhead. Exhale down. Again, big inhale. Exhale down. One more time. Exhale down. Fingertips on the shoulder, big shoulder rolls back. Let's reverse it. 4, 3, 2, other side, back. Reverse it. 4, 3, 2, wrist circles, hands down. Reverse it. Hands on the hips. Give me a little step touch. Bend the knees, stretch the leg out to the side. Let's add some side reaching arms here. Reach, reach. Add a little bit more of a torso twist. Keep the step touch with the toes. We're going to switch the arms reaching overhead. You got it. 4 more here. Then we take it from the top, starting with those deep breaths. Feet in. Inhale. Exhale. Again. Little bit bigger this time. Exhale down. Shoulder rolls back. 2, 3, 4. Take it forward. 2, 3. Other side. Back. And forward. Wrist circles again. Drop the hands. Back. 2, 3, 4. Switch it. Front. 2, 3. Step touch. Hands on the hips. Maybe make it a little bit bigger the second time around. Let's add that side reach. Take the arms up overhead. Final 4, 3, 2. We take it to a march. Pump the arms here. Knees up a little bit higher. Just 8, 6, 4, 2, and 1. Hands out to the sides. Widen those feet just a little bit, nice and slow, bringing the elbow to the knee. We go twist and open. So a little crunch here. And then pull that elbow back. Little stretch. Other side. Twist and open. Three, 2, one more time. This time just 4, 3, 2. Use that core. 4, 3, 2. Last one. Feet are nice and wide. Toes are facing forward. Hands clasped together. Lunge and come up. So we're going to shift our hips back, bending at that knee. Feeling a nice stretch in that inner thigh. We're hinging forward, but our chest is upright and proud. 2 more. Now just turn the toes out to the side. Arms go out to the side, little quicker. Lunge here. All upright. Give me 4, 3, 2, and 1. Big bend here. Swing those arms down and up. 4 more here. 3, 2. Last one. Take it back to our march. Final 8, 4, 2, and 1. Separate those feet. Drop the chin to the chest. Nice slow neck roll here. We're going to do 2 to each side and reverse. Nice job. That was your quick warm up. I hope you're nice and warmed. Now go ahead and do another workout. I'll link a few right here. See you next time.